Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal business account for dropshipping. First, go to the PayPal website and select Sign Up at the top right. Then, choose the Business Account option, which is essential for any business activity. Next, provide your primary business email address to initiate the account creation. This email will be your main point of contact and your primary login identifier going forward, so choose it carefully. After entering your email, you will need to provide detailed information about your business. This includes your legal business name, physical address, and phone number, which must be accurate for verification. You will also select your business type, for example, a sole proprietorship if you are starting alone. Finally, describe the products or services you offer, like dropshipping various consumer goods, giving PayPal a clear picture of your operations. Once your business details are set, the next crucial step is linking your financial accounts. You can connect your bank account or a debit card to your PayPal for easy fund transfers. PayPal will send 2 small deposits, often just a few cents, to verify your bank account's ownership. After confirming these amounts on your PayPal dashboard, your account will be fully activated and ready for receiving payments, a vital step for dropshipping. To optimize your PayPal business account for dropshipping, consider these essential tips. Always enable 2-factor authentication for enhanced security, protecting against unauthorized access. Understand PayPal's seller protection policies. They are invaluable for resolving potential disputes with buyers. Regularly review your transaction history and be aware of any incoming or outgoing payment limits. Staying informed helps manage your dropshipping operations smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.